How can you shop the best product on Jumia platform? So there are different factors that determine if a product is good or not. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So here, how can you buy the best product on Jumia? And of course there are different kind of products because there are different kind of sellers on the platform, as well as they also buy the goods as well. Meanwhile, they don't use the goods, so they just buy also and resell as well. So but how can you discover if a product is actually good or not? So what are the things you actually need to look into to make sure you are buying the right product for yourself or the right items? So I'll be showing and walking you through the whole process on how to choose the best product when you actually want to buy a goods or an products or items on Jumia platform. So I will be checking on different categories so you can be able to understand in details and how a product is well original, and of course it's worth buying, and of course it will definitely last longer as we expected, because there are different sellers on this platform like I said earlier on. So some sellers buy out of the country, and some sellers have the goods available while they test it to make sure everything actually working perfectly before shipping to Jumia company in Lagos. But then if you are buying, or if you notice that a goods which when you're trying to purchase a goods, they said it's ordering from abroad, because there are some products that they will have to place the order once you purchase, or once you purchase the place the order on Jumia, they have to order for the goods or the items abroad. So that kind of product, there won't be much time to test that particular product before shipping to you, because that particular seller will also buy the goods and receive it, then ship or send to Jumia company. So Jumia will now package the goods and send to you. Jumia don't have a lot of time to test a product that you purchase, so instead that is why they have refund policy or returning of goods. So but returning of goods don't used to come as soon as possible, and maybe also need that product or items as soon as possible. I could remember I bought a flash drive from Jumia in the last 2 years, and the flash drive is about, okay, I think it's memory card, not flash, so it's about 32 gigabytes, and after using like 6 gig, the other space is of no use, because every music that imports to the other space are not coming out with the same sound, which is not supposed to be. So I was able to use only 16 gig out of the 32 gigabytes, so which is very, very bad. I can't even return the memory card due to the fact that I was thinking, how would I ship the memory card again and still be waiting for another one, or trying to get a refund for how many days, calling the customer support for a refund. So with that is the reason why I actually want to make this video, so you can be able to figure out if a product is worth buying and how not to regret if you are trying to buy a product on Jumia platform. So how do you choose the right product for yourself so that you will not regret buying that particular product anytime? So there are things that I actually look into before I consider buying a product or items. So the first thing I actually look into is the pricing, and the second thing I look into is the rating on that particular product. So if a product is product rating is less than 3.0, I won't like to purchase that product. And of course, I had to check the review and why that the rating gets that low. So I will check into that before I could decide if that product worth buying. So let's say, for instance, all these products here are even less than 5.0, which is so good, and it's not supposed to be. At least 4.9, 4.8 is still well better. This is 4.0, this is 4.2, this is 4.1, and this is 4.5 rating. So let's try to check on this particular product, so to see what people are actually saying about it. So, and of course, it have close to 5,000 review, and you know, not every buyer will drop a review on a particular product. So some of them will definitely drop and some will just log off. So it's of different ways. So let's check on the review. So we actually have no interest in the future so far. You know much about the kind of product you actually want to buy. So checking on the description about the product is of no use, just like posting your time, I think. So, but with that being said, you have to just scroll down to the review to see what people are actually saying about the product. So scrolling down to the review section. Okay, so like I said this is 4.5 rating. So you can see here, this review was dropped yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. So I like it, it's very good. So the base is freaking nice and the battery span is amazing, which is great. I just love everything about it. The base, the sleekness, the connection speed, everything is super. Rimo things. So these are really great. So let's check on, I don't think we can actually navigate to it. Could have been good if you can just navigate to the 1-star rating, so we'll be able to understand what people are actually saying about the product. So with that being said, the product costs 14,500. So that is just about the review here. So checking on the pricing, how should you determine if a goods or an item is good for you? So scroll down to the pricing and check some other comparison about that particular product. So with that, you can be able to choose the right product and why you should buy that exactly that product. So you can compare the price, and also you can also check on some other marketplace as well. So you can compare the price. If the price is little different, so you can consider that. So checking on that, you can also check on the sellers or the brand, so you'll be able to understand if they are trustworthy or not. So this seller score is 86% and they have close to 2,000 followers, which people want to know more about the product they are dropping so that they can actually buy or know more about them. So that's just about the Oraimo free pod. So let's try to check on another product as well, so you can be able to get more idea about how things are done and how to shop the right products on Jumia. So scrolling down to, let's check on clothing. Yeah, let's check on clothing, so we can choose different items, so we're able to understand how things are done. So scrolling down to clothing, so wow, this is nice, this is a top deal. And let's check on this particular bag. This looks like Gucci bag, but I think this is a copy one. The Gucci bag I actually know have Gucci leather design. So, but this actually looks like just like this, the Gucci. So, checking, this is actually nice. This is nice, yeah. I love it. I like to buy this for someone. Wow. But then you can't actually just decide on the picture, you know. So don't conclude how a product will actually be checking out the picture. A picture can actually look so great, but receiving that product, you will definitely hate yourself and you're regretting, like, why the fuck did I purchase this product? And like I said earlier, I know a Gucci bag like this, but it was made with Gucci logo. So this is just a plain black. So I can't even say this is Gucci. No, it's not even included, and you can't even sell it at this price. Yeah. So super quality, spacious PU leather female handbag, chain handbag. So, and this was rated 5.2, 5.3 between. So, and overall rating was 5. So let's check what's going on there and why do buyers don't give it 5-star. Yeah, and these are compared from other sellers as well. So they have the same price. Yeah, they have the same price, which is not too competitive, not competitive at all. So let's take on the rating. Wow. Okay. Medium black bag. It is classy and portable. Wow. Lovely. 4.5. Oh wow. Oh, sorry, this is 4.2. Yeah, like you said, 4.2, 4.3 maybe. So I like it exactly what I order for it. I like it. So this is nice. And of course there are some buyers who just be like, I just can't give you 5-star. I just gonna give you 4 points or 3 points. There are some sellers, there are some clients like that, or buyer like that. So it's used to happen, not even this kind of stores here. So this is actually nice. So I will, okay, 3.045. so this is actually nice. This is actually nice, but you know, there are sometimes there are individual differences and so I might not like it once I buy it. So that's just me. So I'll try to check on this product. Looks nice in the picture, but I can't actually say if I can buy it yet because it's a new product on the platform, so it has no review yet, and probably that's why the price is so lesser and no much picture preview about the product. So, and it might also be from abroad. This seller might not have it available in the store, so either of the two. So let me close this. I actually want to look at this product, and the funnest part is that if you actually want to start a drop shipping or selling items, you can actually start this kind of bags, because the last time I purchased this kind of bag, I purchased around 8,000, 9,000. So this definitely make a lot of profits starting selling this kind of bag. Yeah, this is nice, and I'm very sure if I try to contact this seller out of Jumia, I might get this bag as low as maybe 5,000, and if I try to use another website, I might also see it lesser price, maybe 4,000 or 5 or so. So it just depends. So yeah, I actually want to check this product. If I'm a female, I'll look into bag importation, like selling of bags, because they are actually cheap. They are very cheap. They are very cheap, and it will if you look into a quality bags, you'll be able to sell them or flip them as soon as possible. So I think this bag is actually nice. It's very simple. Oh wow, this is great. I'm not even sure if I'm not after out of the content I'm trying to make, because all these bags that I'm seeing, they are actually very very nice. And of course, if I see someone who is interested in buying goods, actually I can actually drive them, like, okay, you can set up a budget aside and start importing this kind of goods. And believe me, people will definitely buy it because they are of good quality products. Yeah, they are good quality products, and you just have to try with one or two products before you put all your legs, or all your, how do they used to put it, all your orange into one basket. So this actually nice. This is nice. It's good. It's good. Like seriously, it's good. So just that is just how to select a quality product, and not to fall or buy a wrong product that you won't like after you get it at hand. So that's just what I have for you in this video, in order not to waste much of your time. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and if you have any question regarding the video, kindly drop a comment and I will reply to it as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.